because Obi na unya baby mfengo a sisi oti for ho kire wo mo ti ayese obi a make provision say me de me wi a ha na me de yeden me de ko na nkoba say ye wi ye hu baby edi ko yeden akoku.
I see. Na so the oba dia na say atesi mo.
No.
Na ba jo ayi so ye IT there. I see database before. Nananom.
Beba yen chirimu ye. Besa database for nananom because omo association in na EP database
but
no minister na EP nti ope
also be database ama shrine.
Oka database I won say onyoma bibra database timi nti is it that
shrine no nye asoniye
so is it that opa comfort do e wo krom ha
enya comfort do sa ni na be represent a comfort do
opa comfort do e wo krom ha na ope a comfort na adwumadi omudi wo asoniye ne so
on say churches they can churches no dey
okay
and no different from say be say hu asofo dodo a omo Ghana
okay
ti o me be say draw line yi
okay
o say shrine and ever just no kan
shrine no I'm going to make a comfort here unlike sorry no
a dying baby a comfort dying no sisi as in asoniye so sisi no
once I confirm on time ko transfer
yes, the number of shrines as on your son do Ghana.
Sabe oso yo. I confirm some ko ampo so transfer. I confirm transfer but e indicate I confirm.
I confirm ko transfer.
As on your son according to minister no. Dodo e wa ha. E wo Ghana ha. So what I say. And na face so say bro no say what qualifies as a shrine? The many pan qualify. Say bia uko school, uko legon. And now put a degree.
On cancer or so man for to home.
Oh, I see my make I want to say what name mischief. Me just say what qualifies say oh yes shrine.
Moti ado do say na fa.
Be a qualification wo. It say be a uko le okuta degree in Akom, and akuta diploma in Akom, and akuta certificate in Akom. Yebi, oh dear, why your masters me patro kind. Say me boy.
According to him, the move is aimed at determining the number of shrines in Ghana and developing a clear understanding of what qualifies as a shrine.
No, amoti ado do afa no. Eno kan qualification
there qualification there. See obi a qualifier. Same utwe me ba mami church me communicator mami nchirem same utwe obi anim say we IT specialist so they say okuta certificate abodin a e ma we IT so database no say pe IT fo a omo okrum ase a database no obeba so JB eti wako school aduru achiri kuta ne masters it is say ya ibusa say oh na omo anya abodin akese a ye database a JBD bebem utwe oswa yo MSc a osukuta masters se ye ka se ye bodin abodi akese na no so ye database a obeden obebem so ho me ye konfo me kom asem ne se me nya me degree ni wo he degree for Akoma no me nya wo hwe papa no adwuma no wabere
wo mu ni se ade we eba be wie na na suma
wabere
eba be wie na na suma kwa he
e ho na beti se ko wie
papa no
wabere
let me tell you something Oko Central Regional your professors of Yakonfo are you aware of that?
Oh okay and no school na
just find out
your professors of
Central Region
enya Akomu professors o but professor just say academic right
no Nkum but a professor
senior Akoma
yeah I mean say you call
it say or qualification
and make say ba be wie na suma kwa
Akoma qualification
yeah sentiment em
say John me ba
say ye bodwa me ba ye bodwa manhia ne ye fra konfo no wo ama bia ne say wo no wonya nduru
wan kana na suma kwa hene wom o say qualification eti
na say
minister ne say
akonfonya Ashanti region kwa no mo
we one after the
other in simple terms yes or say how many radio stations are in Ashanti region what qualifies Akoma FM to be a radio station.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is the simple understanding of.
Yes.
Nene the no person.
What your NCA license?
It's who could NCA?
Yeah, NCA license.
So
Asante tema. NCA license no.
Dabi oh so
yeah, say no dia kwa ne say obetra se no afre committee na konfo ni nyina ba etu ye konfo for certificate to for how long no akom makom 4 years mukuta degree e wa akom 4 years papa no me say adwuma no wabre okay me entiase aha enie wo say qualification is say won say JB e create a scenario be say Akoma FM what makes Akoma FM a qualified a radio station enye bia a community information center
and a community radio.
Yes ekuta license say betimi operate radio station yamayen ye friend say tumi krata any radios and say bibia yetimi ko so dia se etie no no e my license no afeso so ye twa unse woni ne kwaso ntuma se mekasa afeso so otwa tax ye twa tax enti ye qualify ye dwumadie na ye die no so no emre bia no a e wo se another ethics bia na eda ho bia no so ye di so pepepe enti ye qualify na ukọ na abas ho konfo abas ofre konfo abas black and white me papa ebusa ne se e die pa na qualify ma ne komo a anako na obeso ka de ne kiro eti papa no wa bre Eda wa bre
no you see no advance
ede na maintain na na wo ba wias what bibi ehun empani said that say akonfo fat certificate mra
ko ka certificate
na ka qualification ede na qualification lead to certificate for certificate a come kire say
konfo ya bi o ko bisa say de na chese wo pom
send here certified by
na
no mo wani say we were konfo
etina say minister no wani minister no wani me boa
the ministry no about me say the ministry chieftaincy and religious affairs enti e dey won nananom
eni say the onim say onim otia kasa because say motia no na e man crofo be ye akonfo elder
both team to school baby abekọ achiri bia no okọ no anko ka ma nananom a wo ha na o ma frel
nyamete so nyamete na me sa me nkomo me musa so betima ya ye contract ma no
bra no me o ho na me service echo off